The Honorable James L. Oberstar just returned to service. The beautiful 1959-built freighter has been at Fraser Shipyard since June 17, 2025, after grounding in the St. Mary's River. The incident occurred on June 8th at 3:50 p.m. when she was making a turn at Johnson's Point. The vessel was then permitted to move to a nearby anchorage. Days later, her fleetmate, the K.E. Barker, would arrive on the scene on June 11th so that the Oberstar could transfer her cargo of limestone. After discharging her cargo, the Honorable James L. Oberstar would depart her anchorage and head for Superior, Wisconsin. The beloved vessel arrived at Fraser Shipyards through the Duluth Canal on June 17th and was there until the repairs were completed. The Interlake Steamship Company had this to say about the vessel's return. Quote, "Our sincere thanks to the skilled teams at Fraser Shipyards, Maviro Bay Engineering Incorporated, and Kruger Maritime Consultants, whose expertise and hard work were instrumental throughout the repair process following the vessel's sidelining incident in June. We're also incredibly grateful to our shoreside engineering team, whose tireless problem-solving and commitment during the extended outage ensured a safe and efficient return to service. This was a highly complex operation, and its successful outcome is a testament to the resilience, professionalism, and teamwork of our people and partners across the Great Lakes. We're thankful to have the Oberstar back as a vital part of our U.S. flag fleet, delivering the essential cargoes that are the building blocks of America." End quote. All said and done, it's great to have her back. Anyway, subscribe for more updates, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.